Oh, what's that one? Oh, I can't get it. What is it? It's a stingray. Oh, what's that? It's the blue whale. Okay, next one. Oh, here we go. What she caught this time? It's a jellyfish. Yeah. Next one. You caught now. Oh, what's that? It's a starfish. Next one. Oh, what have you caught now? It's a fish. What colour's the fish? Next fish. Oh, might not be a fish. What's the next thing you can catch? Oh, here we go. It is a crab. Next one then. Oh, here we go. What is that? Blue chart. What's the next one? Oh, what's this? It's a lobster. Snip, 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 snip. Oh. Next one. What have we got here now? It's another fish. What colour's this fish? Pink. Oh, does it look pink? We'll say pink. Blub, 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 blub. Next one. Next one. What is this? It's a purple turtle. Yeah. Hey, dude. What's that? It's a shell. Pink shell. Next one. Right, we're not sure what this is, so what do we say it is? Daddy's bowl? Yeah, my bowl of sweets. Anyone? I think it's sweets. Anyway, next one. You're closing your eyes for this one. You've got no fish. Is there no more? No more fish in the pond. Closing it. Ah, you got one. And it is an orange fish.
One more.
And one more. What's this one? It's another orange fish. Oh, blub, 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 blub. Winnie loves the fishing game, don't you, Winnie? My turn, and now it's your guys' turn. Why don't you find some fish yourself?
Bye bye.
Goodbye, Winnie.